Hey guys, happy almost NaNoWriMo. I will be totally honest, I think I'm excited about NaNoWriMo. I have been doing a little bit of prep, playing around with my Save the Cat board and rereading The Night Circus for inspiration, and doing lots of other stuff too, but if I'm being totally honest with you guys, like all of my thoughts and anxiety and everything are just like election focused right now, and it's gonna be that way until it's over, I guess. That said, I am super excited that this year Kevin the writer invited me to join the AuthorTube Secret Santa NaNoWriMo. Oh god, there's an official name for it and I forgot to look it up before I started recording this video. It's a Secret Santa for NaNoWriMo participants. Hi, yes I see you. I don't think I'm wrong about this. I'm pretty positive I have never taken part in a Secret Santa of any sort ever in my life. I can't remember ever actually doing a Secret Santa. Why? I don't know. So I'm very excited to see what my mystery packages contain. Now, as you can see, these have been opened. I swear I have not looked at their contents. I swear. But when this first arrived, my Secret Santa was so prompt. I got this like the first week of October and I wasn't even thinking about it and I had no idea what it was. I thought I had ordered something and forgot. So I opened it and I saw the note that was on top and I read it and realized what it was and I closed it, and Scout's honor, I did not look at it. I hid it under my bookshelf, and when this one arrived, I did the same thing. But I'm very excited now to finally be opening this and see what my Secret Santa got me. Okay, I've rambled enough. Let's get to the opening. Lots of bubble wrap. Should I pop it? That would be evil, right? No, that was anticlimactic. Bubble wrap, woo! So there are a series of gift notes in here. This is the first one and the only one I read when I opened the box before I close it again. It says, "A gift for you. Not wanting a late arrival, I decided to use Amazon. Thanks to this gift exchange, I found your channel. I love it and I can't wait to follow you once you get this. Let's be friends." From Hudson McCarthy. Thank you so much, Hudson, in advance for whatever is in this box. I'm super excited, and of course we can be friends. Let's see, and it says, "With any luck, these gifts will be to your liking. I mainly followed your wish list, but I wanted to add something special." Oh, Jammy Dodgers and Jelly Babies are some of the doctor's favorite treats. There's a Doctor Who theme happening here. That's exciting. No, she's drinking my tea. The doctor has been referenced. Actually, looking at the camera, I realized I'm wearing my doctor hoodie. This is gonna be a great box. Okay, let's do this. I have never had Jammy Dodgers before. Is this really, this is the doctor's favorite cookie, isn't it? I should know that. God, I'm a failure of a fan. It's soft and jammy. Feeling very British. This isn't a treat for you. Yum. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Jelly Babies. Great British sweets. I really love the theme happening here, and I'm so happy that I chose to wear this sweatshirt today. It just got freezing in Texas yesterday, or I say Texas, in Dallas. Like, had to pull out the winter coat. What the heck? Got some Jelly Babies. Yes. Got another box here. Oh my god. Guys, this box was unopened. I didn't know. It has the little suspenders. Rosa's still trying to drink my tea. Look at this. Oh my god. It's a 13 mug. This is perfect. All right, there is one more item in here. Oh my god. It's a Tardis Notebook. Oh my gosh, no, it's perfect. Look, look. Do you see? Can you read it? What's it say? Oh my god. Hudson, you nailed this. I am so excited. This is amazing. I had to go back and get this. I forgot that there was this as well. Yes! Rainbow pens. These are my favorite pens, and I had a set that I bought a few years ago, and some of them have still lasted, but lately they've been leaking ink all over my fingers, and I think they're kind of like on their last legs, so this is excellent timing. Thank you so much. I know. It's awesome, right? It's so good. It's so good. I don't even know what to say. This is me internally right now. That, yeah. That's me. That's my insides. Hudson, thank you so much. These gifts are amazing. I'm gonna do my best not to just binge the rest of these because damn, these are good. Kevin, thank you so much for inviting me to be a part of this, guys. I'm gonna put a link to the playlist for the Secret Santa down below so you can watch the other videos and see what everybody else got. And no! That's it for this video. I hope you guys, I can't do an outro. I hope you guys are having a great week and you're ready for NaNoWriMo. If you're participating, let me know how you're doing in the comments below. Oh my god, I give up.